Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying what you need the AI assistant to do and why. This guides every choice. Once decided, inventory essentials, budget, privacy preferences, devices, and any required accounts or API keys. Make sure to pick a platform type, hosted service, local model, or hybrid, because each affects cost and control. Now take the first actionable step. Sign up for a suitable service or prepare hardware for a local install, so the implementation can begin immediately. Once you have accounts and goals, evaluate models and interfaces based on real tasks. Pick one with the right balance of capability, latency, and cost. Then decide how it will connect to your workflows: SDK, web API, browser extension, or a plugin. Make sure to design prompt templates and context management so the assistant stays consistent. Also plan secure data handling, encryption at rest and in transit, and minimal stored context. This prevents leaks while keeping performance predictable. You finish by deploying incrementally. Test in a sandbox, run a pilot with real users, then expand. Monitor key metrics like accuracy, latency, cost, and satisfaction so you can iterate quickly. Make sure to automate updates and backups to minimize downtime. If things go wrong, first reset the assistant's context and reproduce the issue. Then tweak prompts, adjust model parameters, or throttle request rates to isolate the problem. Finally, document fixes and keep users informed so trust remains intact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.